When you're working in Zoom, do you ever want to collaborate or maybe mastermind, brainstorm, or explain concepts? My name is Angie King from Getting IT Together Online. In this short video, I'd like to show you a really cool feature in Zoom, the whiteboard. So the way it works is that you go down to your controls and click on Share Screen. From here, you'll notice that one of the options is the whiteboard. So you would select the whiteboard and then click on Share. Now my controls have gone over onto my other monitor, so I'll just pick them up and move them over. So then you'll notice that we have the controls within the whiteboard feature. So you are able to write text, you're able to draw boxes, circles, lines. There are stamp features, so you can add little hearts or stars, ticks, or arrows. Under the spotlight, there's a couple of really neat features in here that I'll show you later on. There's an eraser so that you can rub things out. Under the format, you're able to change the color. So let's do that now. Let's make it blue. But you'll notice as well, you can change the width of the lines, and you are able to format the text by making it bold or by changing the size of the font. And lastly, you'll notice that over under the save option, we could save whatever our work is as a PDF or as a photo. So let me show you then how easy it is to actually do it. So first of all, let's draw a box. So we'll go along, we'll draw an empty box. Notice the cursor has changed to a cross and we can create a box. Now I'm going to change the color of our text and we'll create a text box. So by clicking on text, you just click inside wherever it is you'd like to start the text box and then enter in your text. And then just clicking away will close that down. There is also a select option, so we could select the text and then we can move it around if we want to make it sort of center it. Okay, so that's a select. Let's look at the stamp. So with the stamp, you can see that we can make some little hearts, we can have some little stars, so you can have all sorts of features there. Under the spotlight, there's a couple of neat features. One is the arrow, and so when it does it, let's click somewhere, you'll see that it creates an arrow and it puts your name in it. So that could be very useful when you're actually saying who's been collaborating and things like that. Also under that feature is a vanishing pen, which is really cool. So you can actually write something, and as you do, notice that it actually just disappears. There is an eraser so that you can erase things. An undo and redo, a clear which will delete everything, and lastly, you have a save option, so you can save as either a photo or as a PDF. That's how easy it is to actually use the whiteboard. It's an amazing tool that really doesn't get used all that often, but I'm sure if you think about it, there are opportunities and there are times when you want to explain something or type something and collaborate together on ideas. So just to recap, the whiteboard will allow you to draw text, boxes, little stamps, arrows, lines, and more than one person can actually use it at one time. If you like this video and would like to see other ideas like this, pop on over to my website, angieking.com.au, where I have now over 50 tech tips that you can use to make your life a lot easier. Have the most amazing and abundant day, and I do look forward to seeing you again sometime soon. Bye.